Hi, David is here from Karma Custom Experience. This is our May update on all the functionalities that we've working in our product, and we've been very busy with our Microsoft Teams integration and trying to implement long-term dream of making departments where you could actually pay just for a smaller team rather than a bigger team. So our Slack integration received a bit of a facelift in different places that I'll show it to you right now. So first, what we've done is we've implemented the group support in our feedback module. So now if you have groups like marketing, sales, small departments in your Slack, you can check the feedback performance per group. So you could see what kind of themes are on mind of not only the company, but a certain group of people within your company. So those things you can do nice and easy now. And also if you'll go into settings, and again, we go into feedback, you could kind of preview responses now from your settings. So just click on the response, you'd see the number of responses on every question, and then you click at it, and either you'd see if it's an open question, then you'll see all the responses, and if it's just a graph 1 to 5, you'd see how they've been tracking from 1 to 5. So those things you can do for our feedback. We also implemented a few nice things for our Karma Connect. So what you can do now, first of all, you can set the room lifespan. So if you think that a bit of an hour or half an hour is a bit too much to talk about the work not related things, so you can do now like 15 minutes, or you can do now like 45 minutes, a bit more flexibility. And also what we've done, we connected the Karma rewards to our Connect, and now you can reward your peers or your employees by, if they, for example, stay connected for 10 minutes and talk about different things for 10 minutes, they'll get a certain number of Karma coins or Karma points that you could set up right there. So nice and easy. The other update that I have for you would be a bit of an implementation around our dashboard. So first of all, you can set up the background color for your dashboard. It's like a branding that we have. And also what's really important now is we've received a few feedbacks or a few requests from you to make sure that we support different types of values, different types of leaderboards for our dashboard module, and you can do it now. So you could change the leaderboard to reflect a certain value, but also you can change it to achievements, and instead of having a leaderboard, have just a list of all the achievements that were accumulated within your company. So again, nice and easy. And the last but not the least, the update that we've done within our groups, the groups that I already talked about when we've talked about the feedback. But the great thing about it is, instead of like previously, in order to actually add people to a group, you had to go and kind of click every single person and add them to a group. But now you can select channels. So if you're in the bigger Slack and you'd like to create groups easily, so instead of adding people from one by one, you can actually select a channel, add them from a channel, which is a really nice touch. So that's it for us on May. What we're working on right now is a bit more flexibility around scheduling of feedback. Just out of the top of my head, we'll work about creating topics for Karma Connect. And as I mentioned, we're working around departments in Microsoft Teams. So have a great week. We'll see you in June, and enjoy our product. If you have any questions, just feel free to email me back at david@karmabot.chat. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.